Hitting the #1 spot on the air. We are FMC, Filipino Music Central. Your home, your music, your life.
Hindi po kami #1 or #2. Pero sa pakikinig nyo sa mga DJs ng FMC, tiyak na tatata kami sa inyong mga puso.
Click, listen, enjoy, share. www.filipinoMC.com.
For 1 year now, stable, strong, unique, the best, and #1 in information and entertainment. We are FMC, Filipino Music Central. Your home, your music, your life.
Pagbati po sa lahat, ako po si John Austin ng Caloocan City ay nakikinig at sumusuporta sa FMC, Filipino Music Central, your home, your music, your life.
The hottest tunes, the hottest DJ. This is FMC, Filipino Music Central.
Hi there, ito po si DJ Maki at pagaliing makinig sa aking programang Ikaw, Ako, at ang Musika. Dito lamang sa FMC, Filipino Music Central, your home, your music, your life.
Broadcasting around the world, this is FMC, Filipino Music Central, the hottest alternative music station.
Love your radio. Love your music. This is the best thing on your radio. My one and only
90.5 Heart FM.
Sa mga magkakatropa, magkakabarkada, magkakapamilya. Ang tanong ko lang, nakapag-unli na ba kayo? Kung hanap nyo ay unlimited na sarap ng mga malulupit na flavors ng Unlimited Chicken Wings. Samahan mo pa ng masarap na flavors at malamig na fruit juices at milk teas. Kung panglasang Pinoy naman ang hanap mo, kagaya ng crispy pata, sisig at trending na pansit sisig, isama mo pa ang mga all-time Pinoy favorites na Silog Series. May malulutong na French fries, spaghetti, at marami pang iba. Dito ka na sa Happy Troops Food Stop. Happy Troops Food Stop na matatagpuan sa number 368 Berhel, Dijo Street, Sitio, Looban, Tabang, Plaridel, Bulacan. Pwede rin silang tawagan sa mga numerong 044-492-0561. Tiyak magiging happy, hindi lang ang inyong katropa, pati ang inyong dami. Mag-Happy Troops Food Stop. Mag-Happy Troops Food Stop na. Ang tropa at family mo ay unlimited. Ang happy sa Happy Troops Food Stop. Gina!
Anak, bili mo nga ako ng kape.
Ayoko po, tatay. Madilim na po.
Huwag kang matakot. Kasama mo naman yung guardian angel mo eh.
Eh di, yung guardian angel ko na lang po ang utusan nyo.
Joke yun?
101.7 Your Love FM. Your Love FM.
Papa Bear?
Yes, Mama Bear.
Alam mo, pag lumalapit ka sa akin, nagmumukha akong janitress.
Ay, sain mapasain, sa araw kong artistahin.
Hindi, mukha ka kasing dustpan. Magkamagana, Papa Bear. Pwede yung alternative sa basurahan. Kaya mo, akala mo.
Ining karabaw na ini.
Kalabaw talaga.
M.O.R. For life.
MOR, my only radio. Binabati natin ang mga night shift.
Hi miss, pansin ko nakangiti ang mga nurse dito. Ganada sa trabaho.
Oo naman sir, kasi nakaka-feel good ang more sa magdamag sa MOR.
Tayong dalawa can take it easy.
Timor sa magdamag.
Kailangan mo bang i-memorize yan? Basic!
Kailangan pa 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 bang i-memorize yan? Basic! Love Radio!
Gusto mo ba magputong pala ikaw? Ano na naman ang pinagtatawanan nyo?
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Basic!
Healthy Minute, hatid sa inyo ng MX3.
Hi, this is Dr. Edwin Bien. O baka naman, dumadaing na naman kayo ng masakit-sakit ang inyong mga kasukasuan. Lalo na sa panahon ngayon, napapasok na ang taglamig. Yung iba po sa inyo ay naninigas. Ang inyong mga tuhod, ang inyong mga siko, pati na rin ang inyong mga daliri. Yung iba, nahihirapang tumayo galing sa pag-upo dahil sumasakit ang kanilang balakang. Alam po ninyo, ang inflammation, ang ugat ng mga kirot na ito. And of course, bilang doktor, marami sa inyo ang nakarinig na ng resetang anti-inflammatory medicine. But wait, there's more. Hindi naman pwede na puro tayo pain reliever na lamang. Dahil alam natin na ang matagal at mahabang pag-inom ng mga synthetic na pain relievers ay maaaring makasira sa ating mga organs. Dito, pumapasok ang pag-inom ng mga natural supplements, lalo na ang nagtataglay ng alpha, beta, at gamma nutrients. Mayroon po itong natural anti-inflammatory property na hindi nalalayo doon sa mga cyclooxygenase inhibitor. Ibig sabihin, binabawasan po nito ang nararamdaman nating kirot in a natural way without the side effects. Hanapin po ninyo sa merkado, MX3 na hango sa balat ng mangustin or pericarp ay isang magandang choice para sa kalusugan. Take it. It is safe and all natural. Baka hindi po ninyo alam na ang matagalang pag-inom ng mga pain relievers ay hindi lamang nagiging dahilan ng pangangasim ng sikmura, bagkus maaari pa itong makasira ng ating kidneys, maging ng ating atay dahil doon po sila dumaraan for metabolism and processing. Kaya the less pain relievers that we are taking, the better for our body. Muli, this is Dr. Edwin Bien. Mag-iingat po tayong lahat.
Healthy Minute, hatid sa inyo ng MX3.
Narito na ang mga nanalo sa ACS Millones 2025 Weekly Draw para sa Love Radio. Ang mga nanalo ng cash prize na 2,500 pesos ay sina Marlon C. Padua ng Caloocan City, Maria Teresa Medinela ng Quezon City, at Mauro S. Madriaga Jr. ng Quezon City. At yan ang mga nanalo sa ACS Millones 2025 Week 4 Draw. Congratulations! Hintay ng notification galing sa Love Radio representative kung paano maklaim ang inyong premyo.
Pwede kang maging milyonaryo sa ACS Millones! Si Papa? Siya ang una kong superhero. Basic yan.
Siya ang laging nandyan para mag-alaga, magturo, at magprotekta. Basic yan.
Hindi madaling maging tatay. Pero para sa mga anak ko, gagawin ko ang lahat. Basic yan.
Sa darating na Father's Day, bigyan natin ng pugay ang mga haligi ng tahanan, mga tatay na nagbibigay, nag-aaruga, at nagiging huwaran araw-araw sa kanilang mga anak. Kabisyo, ang tatay mo, love namin yan. Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Basic!
I-memorize yan? Basic!
Love Radio. Music that makes you feel good. That makes you feel good. Love Radio.
San ka man, siguradong malilibang. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, nakikinig sa Solid Yes FM.
Solid Yes FM. Solid Yes FM. Solid Yes FM. Solid Yes FM.
Solid, solid.
Ang oras natin, 2:22. Naka-energy na ba ang lahat?
Lagi!
That Energized Time Check was brought to you by
MX3. Dito ako believe.
Hi, Pangga!
Forever memories. Forever memories.
Forever.
Barangay LS 97.1. 97.1. Forever. Isang bansa, isang barangay, habang buhay. Barangay LS Forever.
Number 1. Pakinggan at muli nating balikan. Forever memories. Forever memories.
That song was brought to you by Guard C Calcium Ascorbate. Katawang healthy at seems sa Guard C. Brigada. In the heart of changing lives.
105.1 Brigada News FM.
Ito ang TJON Cool FM. Ang iyong himpilan, ang iyong tahanan.
Hello, buenas noches, Filipinas. My name is Blue Wave and you're watching Saulo in La Noche with Blue.
Gotta go fast. Blue Wave 5 speeds up all the way through your Saturday night prime time.
At my joy transmission po ang SPC bukas 6 a.m. Ay, uli! Pero hindi mo kami katulad. Yung isang side lamang ang iniisip at tinatanggap.
Showbiz, technology, all things Bini, and more. We've got you covered.
One last word, Rika, I love you. Bye.
Cool FM and SPC Studios presents Sabado en la Noche every Saturday nights on Cool FM. This is your station. This is home. Number 1 in Metro and Mega Manila. Simulcast on SPC Radio 1 and SPC 2.
Let's use our energy the right way. Here are your energy efficiency quick tips for the day. Did you know that a leaky faucet can waste 100 gallons per day? Discover how simple changes can lead to big savings while preserving our most precious resource. 1. Fix those leaks. Stay vigilant and repair leaks promptly to prevent unnecessary waste of water. 2. Time your showers. Make showers more efficient by keeping them short. 3. Capture rainwater. Consider collecting rainwater for outdoor use. Use this free and natural resource to water your plants in the garden, reducing your reliance on treated water. Make every drop count. Magkasama tayo para sa maginhawang bukas ng bagong Pilipinas. You have the power. Energy efficiency starts with you. This is a public service announcement from the Department of Energy and the station.
Want something to ease the stress? Tara Cafe. Visit Coffee Geeks Cafe. Coffee Geeks Cafe. Take your gram-worthy photos with their cozy and retro hip vibe with free Wi-Fi cafe. Coffee Geeks Cafe. Opens every day at 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Tara Cafe at Coffee Geeks Cafe. Located at 16A Bougainvillea Street, Poblacion, Valencia City, Bukidnon.
Annyeonghaseyo! Welcome to Kia Sukat Parañaque. Come visit us and enjoy our great deals with 5 years warranty or 160,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. You can call us at 0953-004-6830 or 0907-576-0702. And please visit and subscribe to our Facebook page, Kia Sukat Parañaque. Thank you and see you soon. Kia, movement that inspires.
Higala, nice to see you. Time for Higala.
Sa inyong mga ngisi, Clarex kayo, uy! 23 Cagayan de Oro, Saya Fest, Rush FM.
favorite hit music station.
In partnership with Bukidnon First District, Congressman Joman Alba.
Salamat sa inyong panahon. I hope mag-enjoy mo sa atong very short program.
Ug sa Higalay Festival, Cagayan de Oro, Philippines. And City of Cagayan de Oro Councilor Malvern Bernie Esparcia.
One more time, it's 25 minutes after 9 o'clock. You're listening to Bernie Bidong Bidong.
Supported by Mayor Rolando Clarix U. Cagayan de Oro, Saya Fest. Sa Tabo Tabay sa Pueblo. Cagayan de Oro, Saya Fest. Daghang salamat MIE, Autoplast Corporation, Motul Philippines, GSM Blue, Mindanao Today, Mindanao Post, Phil Oz Adventure, Ron House Seafood Restaurant and Suites. Cagayan de Oro, Saya Fest. Hangtod sa sunod higayon.
CDO, love, 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 Higalay.
Happy Higalay Festival, Cagayan de Oro.
No matter the decade, no matter the vibe, it's all here from the electrifying anthems of the 80s to the unforgettable hits of the 90s. Your favorite hits of the 2000s. All the way to today's chart-topping tracks. Any generation, we got you. Lahat ng gusto mo, andito na. We are Eagle FM 95.5 for the love of music. 2K Thursday, where the hits never stop. From rock to pop to hip-hop that never drops. 2K Thursday, your 2000s hits, all day long. We are Eagle FM 95.5 for the love of music.
I see you calling. I didn't want to leave you like...
At yan ang mga balitang amin nakalap. Ang DZM Radio Patrol sa Strength ay nagpapahinggan sa Metro at Mega Manila sa 630 kHz AM band. At sabay napapanood nationwide sa DZM Teleradio Cable Channel at sa buong mundo sa pamamagitan ng The Filipino Channel at iWant TFT app. Ako po si Jeffrey Herbaez.
Napapanood din po kami sa DZMM Teleradio YouTube at Facebook. I-like at mag-subscribe na rin sa DZMM Radio Patrol si Strength sa Facebook, TikTok at sa Instagram. Ako naman po si Rica Lazo. Hanggang bukas sa DZMM Radio Patrol sa Istrenta.
Headline ngayon. Si Martin Rivera para sa DZMM. DZMM Radio Patrol sa Istrenta, nagpabalita ng lilingkod saan man sa buong mundo. DZMM Radio Patrol sa Istrenta, tapat at totoo, naglilingkod sa'yo. Basta AM, DZMM. Maalaala mo kaya sa DZMM at DZMM Teleradio. Catholic Mass Media Awards Hall of Fame awardee at 20th KBP Golden Dove Awards Best Radio Drama Program. Maalaala mo kaya sa DZMM.
Mga kasama, suman niyo po ng unang mga balita. Ito pa rin si Radyo Man El Maracol at Radyo Man Drew San Fernando. Mula po sa Ramen Broadcast Studios sa Atlanta Center, Manila, sa mga taga-Pangasinan, St. Masantos, Siangari. Marami pong salamat.
Inyo pong natunghayan ang RMN Network News. Malaki ang tumutok para huwag mahuli sa maiinit na mga balita at informasyon. Reaching millions nationwide and worldwide for more than 70 years. Tatak RMN.
Mga kasama, oras sa buong kapuluan, alas 12:41 na po ng pananghalian.
Ang time check na ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Land Bank. Your future powered by Land Bank. That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality. That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality. Ikaw ba ay may iniindang karamdaman? Ano ba ang dahilan kung bakit tayo nagkakasakit? Ano ba ang gagawin para maiwasan ang mga karamdaman? Ating pakinggan ang programang The Secret of Health. Ating pakinggan ang ating Doctor of Naturopathy.
Magandang araw at welcome ulit sa programang The Secret of Health. Ito ang inyong bantay kalusugan, Dr. Remilito Oy, ang naturopath doctor. Ang katuwang nyo sa pagbabahagi ng mga impormasyon at mga sikreto kung papaano mapapanatili ang malusog na pangangatawan.
The Secret of Health.
Ikaw ba ay mahilig kumain ng matataba, pinirito at iba pang mamantikaing mga pagkain? Mag-ingat kaibigan dahil ito ay maaring magdulot ng problema sa iyong apdo. Sample Gold Live Testimony.
Antoinette Malet.
Soaring high across the entire archipelago through online media platforms. Bringing the world free through endless broadcasts. Dreamstar Teleradio. Mass media broadcasting services. Empowering people together who share a passion for interactive news, public affairs, entertainment, and music to cater an informative awareness globally from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao with its satellite station. One heart, one station in the service of the Filipino nation. Dreamstar Teleradio. Nationwide. Dreamstar Teleradio. Nationwide. A proud member of the Philippine Online Broadcasters Association.
The Philippines' original Light Rock Radio, 96.3 W-Rock. It's a beautiful Thursday afternoon here in Cebu City. It's the 12th day of June today. It's a national holiday. So a lot of you are in your homes right now, or perhaps somewhere or going somewhere. Well, thank you so much for just taking us along with you. Light Rock time is 1:17.
Have a sizzling day at Joni's Sizzlers and Roast. The best sizzling in town. Have a sizzling day at Joni's Sizzlers and Roast. For all occasions and gatherings. Have a sizzling day at Joni's.
Wow, come to this place.
The best flaming sizzling in town. Joni's Sizzlers and Roast. Joni's na.
Celebrate bonding moments at Joni's with our flaming bundles like Belly Buster, Bulalo, Beef Kare-Kare, and the Roast Chicken. Available in SM City, Cebu, SM Consolacion, Ayala Center, Cebu, The Walk at IT Park, City Times Square, Insular Square, and Sense Danao. Visit the new look of Joni's Sizzlers and Roast in SM City, Cebu, Lower Ground, and at the 4th level of Ayala Center, Cebu.
Ito na ang semento, Century Big Cemento. Gawa ng Pilipino sa standard sa impasado. Century Big Cemento para sa Pilipino.
Century Big Cement, sementodo para sa Pilipino.
Anong paboritong breakfast at baon sa eskwela ni Junior?
Egg and Virginia.
Ano naman ang paboritong snack ni Daddy?
Cheese and Virginia.
Ano naman ang paboritong ulam ni Mami?
Siyempre, Virginia.
Teka sandali, ano ba yung Virginia na yan? At di yata na-absent sa bawat meal.
Ano pa kundi Virginia Premium Hotdog?
Kasi tastier at meatier na high in protein pa.
Paborito ng buong pamilya. Where's the hotdog? Virginia.
Virginia Premium Hotdog. Another quality product of Virginia Food Incorporated.
All day long, song after song, you make me feel right. On 96.3 W-Rock.
Star FM. Alas 2? Ayos! 1 o'clock na with Mega Panalo. Games, shows, prizes. Ngayong 1 o'clock with Mega Panalo. Panalo! Gaming for 21 years old and above only. Game responsibly. Keep it fun.
Mega Panalo. Fun all. Gaming for 21 years old and above only. Keep it fun. Game responsibly.
Ating gunitain ang pagdeklara ng ating kalayaan noong June 12, 1898 sa Kawit, Cavite.
Islas Filipinas, libres y
independientes.
Ating pakaingatan at huwag hayaang mawala ang kalayaang pinaghirapang makamtan. Mabuhay ang ating kalayaan. Mabuhay ang mga Pilipino. Mula sa #1 and most trusted radio network in the country, Bombo Radio Philippines. Fast sa Radio Bombo!
It's all for you. Star FM. And arrives with I Need You, a song that still hits a little deeper every time you hear it, because sometimes, no matter how strong we try to be, it's okay to say, I need you. Stay with us on Mellow 94.7. More music to keep you feeling, healing, and maybe even a little bit stronger coming up. Good afternoon, besties, and happy Independence Day. You're here with us at the Mellow Scene with Denise, and it's looking to be a very beautiful Thursday. And wherever you're tuning in from, thanks for spending part of it with us, because today's all about freedom, celebration, and good vibes. And of course, we've got the perfect soundtrack to carry you through the afternoon. Stay safe, stay grateful, and let's make this one to remember. And up next, here's one for all the hopeful hearts out there. This next song, Ready to Take a Chance Again by Barry Manilow, isn't just a smooth classic. It was actually nominated for an Oscar back in 1978. And it was featured in the movie Foul Play, starring Chevy Chase and Goldie Hawn. So if you've ever had your heart broken but still believe love or life is worth the risk, this one's for you. Have a mellow afternoon with Ready to Take a Chance Again.
That song was brought to you by Bet88. Sign up and play now at bet88.ph and get 1.1% daily rebate on all Geely games. A limited time special offer. Bet88. Ibang suerte to.
That song was brought to you by EO Executive Optical. For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.
Life storms will come, but with every step, you'll find the strength to weather them.
Home radio, home is where my heart goes singing, la-di-da-di-da. Dance like no one's looking, the music's playing, it feels good to be home at Home Radio.
Home radio time, it is now 2:23.
That time check was brought to you by Bet88. Sign up and play now at bet88.ph and get 1.1% daily rebate on all Geely games. A limited time special offer. Bet88. Ibang suerte to.
That time check was brought to you by EO Executive Optical. For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.
Nakikita pa ba ang pagmamano sa mga Pilipino ngayon, lalo na sa mga kabataan ngayon? Meron siguro, pero yung iba, inuutusan pa. Huwag sanang mawala ang tradisyong ito na nagpapakita ng paggalang sa nakatatanda. Atin ito, Pinoy ito. Kapag nakakita ng kabataan, paalalahanan at tanungin, nagmano ka na ba? Isang paalaala para walang makalimot. Hatid ng ALC Group of Companies. Aliw Broadcasting Corporation. Station DWIZ News Nationwide. DWIZ News FM Regional Group. Home Radio 97.9. Aliw Channel 23. Philippines Graphics. Cook. Plan Bank. Business Mirror. Filipino Mirror. Brown Madonna Press Inc. City State Savings Bank. AAA Southeast Equities Inc. Filipinas Pawn Shop. At ng Sandari Batulao.
Watch your favorite basketball teams now on Arena Plus. Matindi ang action, exciting pang panonood dahil may 1 million pesos per play. Visit arenaplus.ph to discover more and grab your chance to win. Sama-sama sa arena. Visit pagcor.ph/regulatory or email keepitfun@pagcor.ph. Promo runs from April 20 to June 21, 2025. EGLD reference number MKTG 2025-0474. Gaming for 21 years old and above only. Game responsibly. Keep it fun.
Sa Arena Plus, astig sa sports. Download and play now at arenaplus.ph.
Narito na ang Filipino Mirror, ang unang tabloid sa negosyo. Nagtatampok ng mga eksklusibong balita at impormasyon ng pagtatagumpay sa negosyo. Ang tabloid na nagbibigay ng gabay at inspirasyon sa pag-unlad at pag-asenso. Filipino Mirror, naglalaman ng mga nagbabagang balita, napapanahong issue, may init na opinyon at komentaryo. Filipino Mirror, ang unang tabloid sa negosyo. Pinarangalan ng Gawat ng Lao bilang natatanging pahayagan sa 3 magkakasunod na taon at marami pang pagkilala. Kaya bumili na at magbasa ng Filipino Mirror ng umasenso sa pagnenegosyo.
Your favorite songs, your favorite moments, always at home.
Ang balitang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng United Home First Sulfate Iron. Healthy blood para sa healthy glow.
Ang balitang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Biogesic for Kids. Talagdat ng bata, matik. Biogesic for Kids.
Mga magsasaka at mangingisda, mga tunay na bayani ayon sa kalihim ng Department of Agriculture. Balita mula kay Isa Bendaño Umali. Isa.
Itong araw ng kalayaan ng Pilipinas, kinilala ng Department of Agriculture o DA ang mga magsaka at mangingisda bilang mga tunay na bayani. Sa kanyang Independence Day message, nangako si Agriculture Secretary Francisco Chu Laurel Jr. na patuloy na itulong ng gobyerno ang nakbang upang mapalaya mula sa kahirapan at abuso ang mga magsaka at mangingisda. Sinadwa ni Laurel na panahon na umangat din ang mga nalsek ng agrikultura. Para magawa ito, sinabi ni Laurel na mayroong mga reforma, programa at modernisasyon.
OJ College Manila. Over 100 years of faith, excellence, and creativity from STEM to arts, music, and sports. St. Scholastica's College Manila has state-of-the-art facilities, passionate teachers, endless possibilities. Enroll now at St. Scholastica's College Manila. Learning, leading, living, ora et labora. Visit our website at ssc.edu.ph or call 856-77-686-289. Mama, tamda.
Biogesic for Kids. Talagdat ng bata, matik. Biogesic for Kids.
Oras alas 2:56 ng hapon, sa aming pagbabalik, Anagang PhilHealth sa serbisyo on the spot.
DZWB number 1 sa Mega Manila.
Wow! Ang putla! Sino ka? Dugo mo. Ang putla mo. Mukha ka ng multo. Baka anemic ka. You need the help of 60 milligrams of iron from Hemarate FA. Para Hemarite, may right dose ng iron. Recommended for Filipinos for DOHAO number 2010-0010 with proper diet and exercise. Hemarate FA, the blood vitamin.
Anagang Unilab yan.
Iron pyridoxine, vitamin B6, cyanocobalamin, vitamin B12, folic acid. It's the generic name of Hemarate FA. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Hemarate FA, the blood vitamin. Mula sa mundo ng mahika, isang bagong laban ang magsisimula.
Wawasakin ko ang buong Encantadia!
Ngayon, 4 na bagong sangre ang tataha sa landas ng kapalaran. Faith Da Silva as Lamara, Angel Guardian as Dea, Kelvin Miranda as Adamus, and Bianca Umali as Terra. Ang kinabukasan ng Encantadia ay nasa kanilang mga kamay. Encantadia Chronicles. Sangre. World premiere June 16, 8 p.m. on GMA.
Sa tulong ng Revicon Forte. Unilab yan, multivitamins, minerals, amino acids. It's the generic name of Revicon Forte. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Tight game. Shoot! And it's...
Nabitin? Magsusiran Forte. With total cough relief formula. Laban sa dry non-stop ubo. Sakit sa lalamunan due to post-nasal drip. At sakit sa kakaubo. Unilab yan. Dextromethorphan, HBr plus phenylpropanolamine HCl plus paracetamol is the generic name of Tusiran Forte. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Gusto kong mag-relax pero di ko magawa. Gusto kong mag-relax pero di ko magawa.
Di ka talaga marerelax pag nanakit ang katawan. Mag-Alaxan FR. May relief to relax formula laban sa sakit ng katawan. Relax muna. Tapos game ulit bukas.
Totoo ang relax, walang sakit ng katawan. Oo ang relax, Alaxan.
Heidelin Diaz po. Pag totoo ang relief, totoo ang relax. Alaxan FR.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Ibuprofen paracetamol is the generic name of Alaxan FR. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Para muling makapag-asawa, kailangan dumaan sa posa ang isang byuda.
Yung pagdukot ng mga balo?
Pero paano kung sa pagsasagawa ng tradisyon? Ikaw ang...
Mahal na prinsesa.
The Heart of Asia proudly brings you the record-breaking historical drama.
Patawarin mo. Kung hindi dahil sa'yo, hindi ako masasangkot sa ganitong kaguluhan.
Posa, Steal the Faith. Ngayong Lunes na. Weeknight, 11 p.m. after Saksi on GMA.
Attention, Clash Nation! The wait is over because we're officially back!
Time to show us what you've got.
Ibandera na ang performances na pangkampiyon. We are so ready. Pero ang tanong, handa na ba kayo? Handa nang yanigin ng new Clashers ang Clash Arena.
At patutunayan ng Clash backers na meron pa silang ibubuga.
Matira ang pinakamatibay. Let the Clash begin!
Isang tinig lang ang mandadaig sa bakbakang yayanig sa Clash Nation. The Clash 2025, Sunday, 7:15 p.m. sa GMA.
Idol, may sakit ka yatang malupit. I got this, Rocky. Ako'y nabinat, ulo ko'y sumakit. Sakit ng katawan na may lagnat. Sabay-sabay man ang mga kuan-kuan. Rexidol 40 ang ating idol. Mas bilis banat sa apat. Faster versus paracetamol in as fast as 30 minutes.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Paracetamol caffeine is a generic name of Rexidol 40. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
DDWB #1 sa Mega Manila.
Alamin ang mas pinalawak at pinagbuting benepisyo ng PhilHealth. Alagang PhilHealth. Makinig, tumutok sa 30 minutong talakayan na maghatid ng kaalaman para sa lahat ng miyembro ng PhilHealth. Tuwing Huwebes sa ganap na 3:00 hanggang 3:30 ng hapon sa programang Serbisyo on the Spot. Kasama sina Cathy San Gabriel at PhilHealth Acting Vice President for Corporate Affairs, Ray Balenia at mga panauhin. Alagang PhilHealth.
Ito po ang Alagang PhilHealth sa Serbisyo on the Spot. Muli akong po inyong kapuso, Cathy San Gabriel.
At ako naman po, Ray Balenia from the Corporate Affairs Group ng PhilHealth. Happy Independence Day, Ma'am Cathy.
Ayan, Happy Independence Day. Pagdiwang natin ang ating kalayaan.